Hello, I'm Petter from Luminel Drone Light, and today we're going to show you how fast it takes to mount our drone light kit for the DJI M210 drone. So here we are ready, 2 lights, 2 strap mounts and the cable harness. And we have the timer, so we're good to go. First, I mount the lights on the strap mounts and tighten it good on the drone. Like this, and we take the cable harness and we mount it into the power port here, and you can see our manual how this is to be mounted. Then we take the one side down to one light, plug it in and plug it in like this, and we tighten the velcro here, and we do the same on the other side. Like this, here, and here, and we tighten it nice and smoothly like this, and we're good to go. And it took 1 minute and 3 seconds, so that should be fast enough. And to find more information about our products and where to buy, you can go to dronelight.com. And please follow us on social media on Facebook and Instagram, #LuminelDroneLight, and on YouTube, search for Luminel Drone Light and you'll find our account.